Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to unlock more boxes in Pokémon Legends ZA. Alright, let's begin. At the start of the game, you are given a limited number of storage boxes, usually around 8. Each time you catch a Pokémon, it is automatically sent to the box you are currently hovering over. This means the active box determines where newly caught Pokémon are stored, so keep that in mind while organizing. To unlock more boxes, you do not need to complete a special quest or talk to an NPC. The process is automatic. Go to your last available box, which is the 8th box, and completely fill it with Pokémon. You can do this by catching new Pokémon or by moving Pokémon from other boxes into the last box. Once the final box is fully filled, go out and catch one more Pokémon. As soon as you catch it, the game will automatically unlock an additional box. This same method continues to work every time. Fill the newest last box, catch another Pokémon, and the game will expand your storage again. By repeating this process, you can unlock many more boxes and store a large number of Pokémon without any limits early on. So that's basically how you can unlock more boxes in Pokémon Legends ZA. That's it for this video. Thanks.